हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक। तो बहुत सारे सवाल हैं जो आप लोग मुझसे कॉन्स्टेंटली पूछते हैं, सो वी थॉट टू ब्रिंग अप अ फ्यू ऑफ देम ताकि मैं आप लोगों के लिए आंसर कर सकूं। तो द KSE 100 इंडेक्स इज़ द कराची स्टॉक एक्सचेंज टॉप 100 कंपनीज का बेंचमार्क इंडेक्स। ये एक वेटेड इंडेक्स है जहां अलग अलग स्टॉक्स के अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर फ्री फ्लोट मार्केट कैप अलग अलग परसेंटेजेस एलोकेटेड हैं। डिफरेंट सेक्टर्स हैव डिफरेंट क्यूमुलेटिव वेटेजेस एंड द रीजन इज कंसिडर्ड अ बेंचमार्क इज बिकॉज इससे आप मेजर करते हैं द एवरेज परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ द टॉप 100 कंपनीज। दैट इज जस्ट अ रेगुलेटरी थिंग दैट हैज बीन डिसाइडेड बाय द PSX बोर्ड कि इसके अगेंस्ट मेजर होगा हाउ द स्टॉक मार्केट परफॉर्म्स, बिकॉज इट टेक्स essentially out the lower market cap or the newer or the illiquid companies of the stock exchange. A free float is the number of shares that are circulating in the tradable market, and the market cap is the total value of the number of shares multiplied by the share price. Okay, so essentially आप अपना एक broker choose करेंगे that are registered with SECP and licensed, ठीक है? You can find this information on the PSX website and also on the SECP website, ठीक है? तो आपने broker ढूंढ लिया, you will contact them. वो आपसे कुछ KYC की documents मांगेंगे. They'll ask you for like your IBAN, proof of income, your bank statement, your CNIC, your phone number that's registered on your CNIC or कुछ और details for the KYC to make sure that you are someone who exists in the formal economy and आपकी एक traceable income हो, right? Because no black money can come to the market. फिर आपका account खुलेगा. There's going to be some more verifications that they ask for. आप फिर अपने bank account से directly transfer करेंगे अपने brokerage account में पैसे. They will send you an account number for the brokerage. वहाँ आप transfer कर देंगे, आप screenshot भेज देंगे अपने broker को, and then you can, as soon as you have transferred the money, you can start trading. So you choose a mutual fund. I work at Alpha Investments, and on our side, there's two types of fund managers sitting, right? There's the fixed income fund managers, and there's the equity fund managers. Equity is आपकी stock market investment, fixed income is आपकी debt securities. So अब ये पूरी team बैठ के decide करती है कि what is the best possible allocation for the clients who are putting their money in. You will choose a fund of your liking, right? So low risk से लेके high risk, which is high risk would be equity stock market investment because that's a classification. You will choose your fund depending on कि आपको conventional चाहिए, sharia compliant चाहिए. You would choose your fund, you would transfer the money directly to the fund. फिर back end पे वो inflows reflect होंगे in that fund, and the fund managers will decide कि वो कहाँ allocate करने हैं, कौन से stocks में. So you will go to the dps.psx.com.pk website. So that's the PSX DPS. It's a data portal for PSX. यहाँ आप अगर जाएंगे, राइट साइड पे ना आपको एक नजर आएगा बार, वहाँ आपने उस कंपनी का सिंबल टाइप करना है. नीचे स्क्रॉल करेंगे, आपके पास उनकी सारी क्वार्टरली और एनुअल रिपोर्ट्स आ जाएंगी. खोल के उनको देखना शुरू करें. There are 3 statements you'll see: the income statement, balance sheet, and the cash flow statement. Go to ChatGPT, ask me कि मैं किस तरह से इन चीज़ों को एनालाइज करना शुरू करूँ. It will give you some basic ratios. Start doing basic analysis, and as you go more in depth, take the help of AI to understand how to do financial analysis, and that will eventually sector wise comparison जब आप करेंगे कि for example आप banks को देख रहे हैं, आप अलग अलग ratios देखेंगे, compare करेंगे, you will see what is performing stronger, what is performing weaker, and what is undervalued, so that you can get into something that has not yet performed but will in the future. No, see, you can expect कि आपका bear run तब आएगा जब आपका interest rate reversal आएगा, right? तो जब तक वो नहीं आता, I don't see the bear run ending. I think इस fiscal year के end तक we still have a lot of room, because हम अगर historical high of the PSX की multiple को देखें, it was 13. So right now we're nearing 9 का multiple. In the recent times, the cool off has been at 8. का प्राइस टू अर्निंग्स रेशियो ऑन एवरेज ऑफ द KSE 100. लेकिन आई थिंक जहाँ हम जा रहे हैं, विद आवर ग्लोबल पोजिशनिंग, with our country being well positioned with the Oval Office, with different defense क्या कहते हैं, pacts that we're signing all over the world, and clearly Pakistan is getting into a economically favorable position. So I don't think the index is cooling off anytime soon. My personal opinion, not a buy or sell call, is 200,000 to 220,000 index points. Obviously, आपके heavy sectors ही lead करेंगे, banks, OMCs, EMPs, power sector, the cements, fertilizers. There's been, in recent times, I would say it has been UBL, Mizan Bank, FFC, Angro Holding. साजगार का इतना इंडेक्स पे इम्पैक्ट नहीं है. Oh, of course, and Lucky Cement. Not a buy or sell call. Good current account numbers, good inflation numbers, which means ये market को ऊपर ले जाते हैं. Good inflation numbers, new pacts on FDI coming in, like via, like for example, offshore exploration की बात हुई, right? उसकी वजह से थोड़ा jump मिला. Then favorable regulations and pricing of different sectors, and that's 4. And what else? Oh, and of course, favorable remittances and increasing remittances. Trade deficits, current account deficits, high inflation, fear of interest rates climbing again, liquidity being pulled out of the market, which is मतलब जैसे कि अभी State Bank ने liquidity inject की थी into the banks, right, to give them, that's a warning sign. And जब हमारी debt repayment is not looking favorable in our position, and obviously high crude oil prices. So a stock split is कि for example एक stock है कि अब वो capital gains increase कर करके वो पहुंच गया है 1,000 रुपए की प्राइस पे, right? इसका एक optical effect होता है inefficient markets में कि लोग कहते हैं कि इसके बजाय कि मैं 1,000 रुपए के shares लूँ कि मैं 1,010 रुपए के shares ले लूँ. It's an optical effect. Investors feel like कि उनके पास ज़्यादा positioning आएगी, right? They don't want to have just like 10 shares of something, even अगर वो एक अच्छी company है. So what ends up happening is कि जब एक company announce करती है, for example 1,000 रुपए का share है, वो कहते हैं 1:5 का हम split कर रहे हैं, which means कि अब ये share जब split के बाद खुलेगा, ये 200 रुपए पे खुलेगा. What ends up happening is कि stock की liquidity increase हो जाती है. So the volume traded increases, and what ends up happening is you get an effect where it gets more easily tradable. We've constantly heard in the market that Sasgar has gotten to a point, not a buy or sell call, जहाँ वो relatively illiquid perform करता है, except on days जब उनके numbers आते हैं, you know, there's some specific news about autos. So that means कि जिन लोगों ने heavy positions ली हुई हैं उसमें, it's difficult for them to offload those positions. So people try to avoid to get into stocks. So stock splitting can increase liquidity and can increase your ability to trade that stock on a day-to-day basis. So these are the margin trading and margin financing systems, which आपके back end पे essentially आपकी institution fund कर रही होती है liquidity को, and in systems के through your investors can take leveraged positions in the market, right, against certain interest rates जो एक per day basis पे calculate होती हैं depending on the settlement T+2 पे अगली settlement date कब हो रही है. So essentially आप अपना capital को multiply कर सकते हैं, and अगर आपके पास for example लाख रुपए की investment है तो आप 3 लाख रुपए की investment कर सकते हैं total against MTS MFS financing. And what this can do is कि this is very very risky. It's very risky, especially for new investors. लेकिन अगर आप अपनी risk properly mitigate करें और अपने आप को properly hedge करें, right, and you diversify well, this can actually be a great instrument that can help you make a lot of money. Thank you, everyone. That was all the questions that we have, and I will see you guys next time. I love you guys. Happy investing, and take care of yourselves. Be careful about your investments. Remember, equities are for the long term. It's for wealth building. We don't care for fixed income here unless that's your risk appetite. But we love the stock market, and I love you guys. The next time I see you guys, take care. Bye.